Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing really well. Thank you for joining in into this IGTV, YouTube live, or whatever wherever you're watching it. Hello everyone, a big shout out to everyone out there. All right, and now I got many students asking me many questions about ACCA on a regular basis, and I think that as many times I do this live session, it won't be enough. So I'm back here again with a live session for ACCA. Trying to use this filter. I don't know what is this. Okay, no problem. Let's just talk about ACCA here. All right. So ACCA has 13 papers. All examinations are online, computer-based examinations. All these 13 papers, you can do it from different levels. You can get started after your intermediate. You can get started after your BCom. You can get started after your CA Inter. You can even get started after you can even get started after doing your CA IPCC, or even after completing your CA. You can get started. There are different entry routes and different structures of the examinations. In fact, the examination structure and examination pattern for every subject is different. Examination structure pattern is different for every subject actually. So if you are willing to get to know more about ACCA, what you need to do is directly DM me over this WhatsApp or this Instagram itself, or you can take my number there in the description below of this YouTube video, depending on wherever you're watching it. All right, so thank you everyone who's joining in this live. Whoever is having a question, first ask me your question, and if you want to come into this live session, have a talk with me, ask me your question there, and if it is benefiting all, I'll take you into this live session for sure. All right. So I have got this one more question from Vaibhav actually, that sir, should I or not should I? He is actually insisting that I want to take a separate coaching for Microsoft Excel, because you can get more speedy towards it, or you are new to it. So maximum people are new to Excel. They don't have that basic knowledge about Excel, but that does not mean that it is going to be problematic for you to give your ACCA examinations. In fact, it is pretty normal. Every student, they get started with their first time of the examination in Excel, and while doing their classes, they'll be comfortable enough, they'll practice enough so that they can give their examinations. So our complete classes goes on Excel itself. All the problematic papers, whichever is required to solve questions on Excel, that's available. The classes will be on Excel, and it will also be live in here. So any student who is there in the class, they can get the complete details, complete detail hands-on learning on Excel and on the concepts. All right. Ibrahim, I can explain you about the CMA course, but not on this live. You can go to my other channel, which is CMA Tutor. You can go and watch videos about CMA there. Here is more of towards ACCA and ACCA only. So ask me questions about ACCA and I'm here to answer you. Let me just remember more questions coming in. How many exemptions? I actually uploaded also a video on YouTube talking about exemptions, talking about the fee structure, about complete ACCA step by step, how much would be the fee structure, what are the discounts which you are going to get if you join our academy. That is also uploaded on YouTube. And if suppose you don't find any of these, WhatsApp us, message us anytime, we'll be there to respond to you. All right. Hello Jayesh, hello everyone who all have joined in here. A big high five to you all. Right. What's this filter from behind? Okay. All right. So if you're having any questions about ACCA, ask me here. Seriously, I'm telling you, with the Excel, if you're there in the class, 100% you will get clarity with the Excel itself in the class. Let me just show you a few of our, can I show you a few of our videos? Let me just see in here. like suppose financial management, right? Okay, let me just finish off this filter, just finishing off this filter. Okay, let me just show you with the class how it is. Where is this? Okay, here. Like this is our portal for financial management. You can look into the videos section. Now in the video section you can go in here and watch all the videos available in here. All right, so you can see in here how the problems are answered in here. Let me just open up one video in which you can actually see that how the class is going on. Hi everyone.
Hello,
you can see
everyone.
here that how the class is happening, that this is the study text beside, and here is the Excel sheet in which we are solving it. So you can see in here that we are actually drawing an income statement which is going to be helpful for you. All right, the chapter structure is in your content and is in here, and how we are going to answer it. Now amounts will be put in there. All right, so this is how the sessions goes on for ACC. Let me just place this phone back. All right, so this is how the sessions goes on with ACCA. And if you are aspiring to do ACCA, or if you're stuck up with somewhere in ACCA, what you guys need to do is reach out to us at the earliest. If you are watching this recording, then you can comment below. If you're there in this live, just message, okay, I got a question. Sir, I completed my 12th recently and started ACCA. Sir, all right, yep. I guess you have also completed your 4 papers of ACCA. That's really good enough. And looking out for the next papers. So don't delay. Don't think that okay, next, or when should I do the next. You need to do it as early as possible. Hello Vishal. All right, so I hope that this session is highly helpful to you all, and I have also answered maximum of the questions surrounding with it. If you are still having questions, and or if you want to get enrolled into any of the subject, then you can get it as early as possible. Okay, one question from Sugaros. If we take BBA, will it be difficult to ACC along with it as compared to BCom? No, it will not be. You can take BCom or BBA depending on your preference if you want to do it. I will not generalize this statement. I will not say that, oh, BBA is much better or BCom is much better, because that becomes a statement and people go behind it. Don't do that. It is BCom or BBA. It depends on your preference. Okay, you can take it and get started with it. Sir, after how many papers of ACCA we can get jobs? See, you can get jobs even after you complete 2 to 3 papers of ACCA, or you complete 6 papers, 7 papers. You will get jobs based on that also. There's no limit onto it. You can get started as early as possible. All right. Now, who else is there? I hope that my voice is completely clear to you all. It's not echoing. Even if it is echoing, manage it. BBA will take more time, right? Because it will be full day college, morning to evening 5. It depends on your preference. See, I said you, if you want to do BBA, you can manage it with that. If not, then you must choose a better alternative. What is your priority list? Whether it is BBA or ACCA, you need to choose one, and then you need to keep another one at the backup. All right, and then give more time to it. Let me just see more questions coming in here. Internships we have to do, sir, or not? Yes, you will have to do internships. Whichever comes your way, do it. And maximum try doing it. That will be more valuable. If you do MSc in London, will we get work visa? Yes, you will get work visa depending on the organization which you choose to join in. After 4 paper, yes, you can get a job after 4 paper. In fact, there was a time, a day before yesterday, a parent called me and said that my daughter got a job in BDO, and she's working there soon after completing her 4 papers of ACCA. All right. So there are ample of jobs available. You guys need to go find it out with that. All right. Hello everyone who all are joining in right now. All right. So are there more questions, or I'm here available? I can talk long if you guys don't have any problem. If we do the one that is with ACCA's university, yes, you can get it. See, you can get that qualification, but getting a work visa depends on the company which you apply for in that particular country. All right, you will be valued for that. Sir, but where I found, you will find job. Maybe you don't have the right mentor, Weber. You to get connected directly, and then I'll help you out with that. All right, once you're there into the classes, then that's the place where I will be actually giving you 100% attention. Is it advisable to take drop and do ACCA for 1 year and then join BBA on second year? No, it is not advisable. You need to do both at a time. In fact, ACCA is designed in such a way that you can work and learn, or you can study something else also with it. So not advisable to drop, do it together. All right, don't think that okay, is it not manageable, ये दो कश्तियों में सवार कैसा होना है. Don't think about that. You have the time with you. If you want to do it, you'll find a way. If you won't, then you'll find an excuse. All right, you can do it. I started working at the age of 19, for your FYI, and I was actually doing my BCom second year that time, and I was also pursuing my CA, and then I went on to my CMA. Then the role is ongoing. So it does not mean that if I do this, I cannot do that. If I manage my time, this I cannot do that. It is just a myth. Okay. Had a bad experience with trying on to JEE. That's why a bit cautious. Not a problem. This is manageable. Sir, while doing ACCA, after doing 9 papers, will we get BSc degrees, or how much we have to pay? According to the payment, I'm not so sure about what it would be while you do it. Like, previously it was around 30 to 40,000 was the payment for the examination. Not the examination, for the fee of the university, and the mentor fee was around 10,000 rupees. So all in all, around 50 to 60,000 your mentor and your BSc in Oxford Brookes University would have been done. Can tell website, yes, it is a ACCA job portal, accglobal.com. Go there and find it there. Sir, in a scale of 1 to 10, how easy is ACCA? On a scale of 1 to 10, how easy is ACCA? I'll say that it is 10 on 10 easy, because I'm a faculty in here. So other students, there would be other students who complete ACCA at the age of 19, 20, 21. They'll say that it is easy. There are other students also who will complete it in 25, 26, or even very late, or take more years to complete it, and they'll say that it is very difficult. So there are two opinions. Based on that, it should be your own opinion. Don't go on anyone else's opinion, even mine. Okay. ACCA is demanded across the globe, not only in Middle East, not only in India, across the globe it is. You can just go on to accglobal.com and search for the jobs available. Next, is it advisable to complete ACCA course along with PER simultaneously? 100% bang on. You need to do that. You need to work and you need to do that both at a time. Yes, you need to do it. Don't say that how can I manage it. You will manage it if you want to manage it. I don't want to give more examples on it. You can manage it. If you want to do it, you'll find a way. If not, excuse. Okay, next question. I guess you guys are out of questions, but I'm not out of answers. Let me also take some questions from which I received earlier in the day. I also got a question that if suppose you complete your CMA India, how many exams you are going to get? Okay, if you have completed your CMA India, you will be getting 7 papers exemption if you have less than 5 years experience. If you have more than 5 years experience, then you can get 9 papers exempt. And in that more than 5 years experience, that 5 years, your articleship also counts in there. If we study ACCA properly, are we completing our syllabus of BBA and BCom? Exactly, you are completing that. You will be completing your BCom and BBA syllabuses and all. CMA Canada full exemption. CMA Canada full exemption? Is it? I don't know. But why are you thinking about that when you're getting started with ACCA? Don't think about, if I do this, I'll get that also, I'll get this also, I'll get that also. Don't go with these exemptions route, or, this thinking of exemptions. Why I actually tell about exemptions for CA, IPCC, and CA people is that because they are unaware about all these qualifications. Whereas right now, when you have that awareness, don't go with exemptions and all. Go like you want to do ACCA, do ACCA. That will only be valued more in there. All right. Yeah, maybe I'm not so sure about it, but it may be. Okay, hello Mahesh, hello Afshan, and CMA or CPA, I think, I'm not sure, maybe. Hello Shakir. Right. Yes, you guys are out of questions now. Let me think of a few more questions. See, on a regular basis, let me just show you our application in, or let me just show you the YouTube channel in here. Okay, let me just close this. Thank you for all the clarity. Abdurrahman says that. Thank you, Abdurrahman, for asking all those questions and getting clarity. I hope that you get a better career soon with it. Okay, next. What I wanted to show you guys. Okay, let me just show you. Okay, so this is what it is.
These are the 5 mistakes which you can do while.
Now you guys can see in here that this is a video of ACCA. Let me just pause this and show you what all are the comments. There are 195 comments about that. How will I get exemptions? Is there any practical training period required? If I failed any paper, what should I do? Have just completed graduation. What is the coaching fee? Completed CA. So you guys can see all those questions which is coming out in there, and these are all latest questions. So that is also the reason I keep doing videos about ACCA details. I don't know why, still I'll be doing it. Sir, can you please share the link? Which link do you want? Why is exemption a mistake in that video? Okay, exemptions in that particular video, you guys need to go and watch out there. That video actually is of talking about those integrated exemptions of BCom, in which you don't need to pass any examinations for that. You go through a small standard degree examination and you complete it, and you get more exemptions before even you complete your degree. So that is actually a mistake. Yeah, that is actually a big blunder mistake. I don't know how they are calculating it. Okay, sir, can you which link are you talking about, Abdullah? Let me know about that link and I'll share that link with you. I wish all the very best to team NGS. Thank you. Your YouTube channel link. What you guys need to do is just search about NGS Professional Academy on YouTube and you'll get it. Or just search about ACCA details on YouTube. You'll get my video. Okay. Shushmita asked me this question that, sir, do we have to buy books from ACCA and institutions both? I mean our coaching institution. Okay, let me just tell you, I've not seen that student buying. If suppose a student is preparing by themselves, what they do is nothing but they go buy the material from different providers, but there is no, ACCA does not give you any material. You can buy any Kaplan or BPP material. And talking about institutions, we provide the material to the student. That is included in the fee structure itself. There's no separate fee charge for the material. Okay. Hello Bhagat. Alright. So I hope that you guys are getting lots and lots of clarity in here. If you guys are getting clarity, then you need to show some love, putting out on those like button which is there, by subscribing to our channel, and also by sharing this sharing our YouTube channel or sharing this video with your friends who are doing ACCA or who are aspiring to do ACCA. Maybe some of your friend would have said about ACCA, or maybe some of your friend would have talked about that, okay, ACCA has this or that, then you guys need to get clarity and share this video also with them. All right, so I hope that this is helpful to you, and I hope that this is enough also for you for today. And if you're having any questions or queries, reach out to me at the earliest by this Instagram DM or WhatsApping me. The details will be there in the description below. All right, thank you very much. If you want to get into an internship, then reach out to me, join into the classes, and I'll get you into an internship. All right, I am ending this session. Thank you everyone for joining in.